Beatrix Cummings.
Seduction.
And I would do just about anything for my Dick Cummings. That's my husband. Well, my real name is Beatrix, but it's really kind of funny because I'd do anything for a beer, any trick that Dick wants, you know. So I look forward to showing you about me and Dick Cummings, my husband. Bye-bye.